How to unmute notes on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. Then go to the messages portion where you will be able to see the notes. And to unmute a note, of course, we first have to mute someone. Let's try it out here by clicking someone's note and then clicking mute notes. Once we did that, now we can see the notes of this person. And to see it again, we first have to go to our profile and click the three lines on the upper right portion of the screen and then go to Settings. Here, let's select Privacy. Now, let's scroll down to find Connections and then click Muted Accounts. Here, you will be able to see the list of the people you mute. And to unmute the notes, click on their profile and then click the three dots on the upper right portion of the screen and then click the mute. Now you will see what you muted them for. Just disable the notes portion and you shall now see their notes. Or you can do this by simply clicking the unmute in this part and then just disable the mute notes. And that's it. They will be removed from the muted accounts. And you will be able to see their notes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.